In this video, I'm going to provide an overview and review of the DraftKings affiliate program. In addition, I'm going to provide you a few different ways that you can make money with this affiliate program. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which method is best for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we are going to take a look at the DraftKings affiliate program. I'm going to give you an overview of what DraftKings is, some ways to make money, and if it's even worth your time. Now, this video is a part of a video series for my new YouTube channel called Affiliate Program Reviews. Now, if you want to learn about different affiliate programs more than just the normal Bluehost and Amazon, check out and subscribe to this YouTube channel as I upload videos daily showing you different ways to make money. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the DraftKings affiliate program. So the DraftKings affiliate program and DraftKings in general is an online sports betting platform. Originally, it started off with just fantasy sports, as you can see in the middle, and then it gravitated to sports books as well as casinos. What we're going to focus on today is just the daily fantasy sports aspect. It is a leader of the industry, and let's talk about what we know. Now, if you click on the affiliate program, you're going to get to this screen. There's not a lot of information. You actually have to reach out to them and apply. They don't tell you how much you can earn, but through some research, according to this website, you can earn up to 40% commission on valid referrals. Now, this doesn't say if it's recurring, if it's one time, if there's a maximum that you can make, because people tend to spend a lot of money when it comes to fantasy sports. So there's not a ton of content. Just assume that you'd get paid 40% commission up to $500 and move on. So now that we have the idea, and the one thing that I don't like about this affiliate program is there's not a lot of information. It doesn't tell you, you click on this button, you fill out a form, and then maybe or maybe not you hear back. See, as you can scroll through here, it doesn't have a lot of information to help you decide if this is the right affiliate program. So what we can do is let's take a look at a few different ways that you can make money, because there are a bunch. One, I think, really easy way would be to start a Facebook group or join other people's Facebook groups and create content about fantasy football in these Facebook groups. As you can see, there's one with 1 million subscribers, 44,000, 27,000. The only drawback to these types of Facebook groups is you're going to have to stay on top of the content, because people are going to come in here and start scamming and posting wild affiliate links. So you're going to want to make sure that either you moderate it heavily or you hire a moderator to take care of it for you. But starting a fantasy sports or fantasy football Facebook group could be wildly beneficial. And the way that you make money here is you simply append your affiliate link to DraftKings or whatever affiliate program to the top, and anytime someone logs in to your Facebook group, they're going to see that at the top of their board. So that's one way. You can also make a post every couple days just reminding them about the affiliate opportunity that's out there. Make sure that you do let people know that you are an affiliate for DraftKings, but this is one way. Another way that you can make money is with compilation videos. Now, believe it or not, you might not think that this is extremely profitable, but these videos get millions of views. Look at this top result, 1.6 million views. He only has 51,000 subscribers. Now, a lot of these channels aren't monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, and so they're looking for reasons to keep going. So what you could do is create these different compilation videos and then add in a banner or a comment every so often throughout the video and remind people that there is an opportunity for fantasy sports to learn more about fantasy sports betting in the description. You would probably get more run and more opportunity with MLB sports betting, MLB compilation, because they have daily sports betting, and same with basketball and even hockey. If we take a look at the bottom of the DraftKings website, here we go, bottom of the DraftKings website, it tells you the different sports that they are in: fantasy football, basketball, baseball, golf, hockey, NASCAR, UFC. So you could potentially create content in all of these. College football, college basketball, League of Legends, Fantasy League of Legends, that's interesting. Fantasy esports might be another way to go. EuroLeague basketball, fantasy tennis, as well as Australian football. So those are different little places where you could create content, especially Fantasy League of Legends. Let's copy this, because I actually wasn't familiar with League of Legends having a fantasy teams. So we could go over to our keyword research tool, and we could just paste in, and I'll come back to Dallas Cowboys in just a second, but we can paste in Fantasy League of Legends, and we can see that it gets a total of 1,000 searches per month. There are 463 keywords in the top one: Fantasy League of Legends, League of Legends Fantasy, League of Legends Fantasy Draft. They are relatively not too difficult. If we jump over to YouTube and we look up Fantasy League of Legends, let's see how many searches they get. Now, this is a new thing that I wasn't even aware of until just a second, but the top result, 147,000 subscribers, 27,000 views. The third one, 2,000 subscribers, 1,000 views. So there is opportunity. Tiny channels are getting some traction in Fantasy League of Legends, which would have never occurred to me if I hadn't done some research. So let's recap real quick. You could start a Facebook group, but you want to make sure that you are moderating it heavily, providing information, valid information on fantasy sports. You can do this with football, basketball, baseball, hockey, soccer, tennis. You can also do compilation channels. If you do compilation channels the right way, this could be extremely beneficial and profitable for you. You can also do something like fantasy sports. I think this is another interesting opportunity that didn't occur to me if I hadn't looked up DraftKings. Another thing that you can do is you can simply create content about your individual teams. Now, I had last week or a few weeks ago, I had done some research on the Dallas Cowboys and different ways to make money there. One of the blogs actually had banners to DraftKings. So that's the opportunity that you'd be wanting to go after. As you can see, when I type in Dallas Cowboys, you're going to see the keyword difficulty is super hard, 79. But if you look at the matching terms, there is opportunity for the keyword difficulty if we change it to 5 or less. When we change it to 5 or less, you can see there are 734,000 monthly searches. Dallas Cowboy jerseys, hoodies, shoes. You can create content on potentially all of this stuff, whether it's a YouTube channel or even a blog post. There's almost 10,000 keywords where you create content and answer questions, and then you can add in your DraftKings banner at the top as a hero image, and on the sides and throughout your blog post as well. And you make money anytime someone clicks on those banners and makes a buy or adds money to their account. You can also create a YouTube channel about daily fantasy sports. So we go daily fantasy football. I don't know how well daily fantasy football plays because they only play really 3 times per week. But what you could do is you could do daily fantasy basketball. Since basketball just started, we can look at daily fantasy basketball tips. We take a look at that and we can see their top result, 7,000 views, 15,000 subscribers. So really this is a small channel. And in my opinion, any channel that has less than 100,000 subscribers is a small channel over on YouTube. Now, if we look at this, there are small channels that are getting thousands of views with simple tips. Now, if we look at this, the same person, Joe Holka, hopefully I pronounced it correctly, is ranking multiple times. So is Locked on Fantasy Basketball. We could actually take a look and see what content he's creating. Now, it would be wise for him to include affiliate links in the description of his video. We're going to take a look at that in just a second. It would be wise of him to include those affiliate links and he could potentially make money. So if we click on videos here, let's go over to this YouTube channel. Let's make sure I'm muted here. All right, so we're going to pause this video. If we click on this, let's see if this is what he's doing. He has a Linktree book on Camelo. All right, so it doesn't look like he is actually including any affiliate links. He actually has a Discord channel. But if we take a look at his Linktree links, there could be an opportunity as well. So what I would do if I was this guy, he has 41,000 subscribers. He knows that these people are interested in fantasy basketball. Include a link and a call to action throughout all of his videos, telling people to get started with DraftKings if they haven't gotten started already. That would be an opportunity to potentially make money. Now, to figure out what videos to create, based on his channel, we could sort by the most popular and potentially start creating content there. So how to dominate a fantasy basketball snake draft. So he's talking about the fantasy draft. You could basically create content here and make money. So we take a look at his Linktree, YouTube, Spotify, Basketball Monster, Overcast, Audacity. So he's not actually promoting DraftKings. I think that's a missed opportunity. But if we go back over here, let's get out of this like that. If you create content on daily fantasy basketball, let's delete this right here and let's see what pops up. Again, so this actually has different results, but you can see here there's opportunity if you're willing to create content daily or frequently, providing basketball tips and insights, and then refer people over to DraftKings. If you look at this one, actually, he does have a DraftKings logo. Let's see, bet you're not doing in DraftKings NBA DFS. So that is interesting. You could also create content about, we could look up different DraftKings alternatives. So if we go up to DraftKings alternative, hit enter, we can create content about the different alternatives to DraftKings competitors. So we could create content about the 5 best FanDuel alternatives, or Fantasy Alarm, or Daily Fantasy Nerd. Create content there with alternatives, and then even do comparisons. So we could do like FanDuel versus. So we'll do FanDuel versus DraftKings. Hit enter, and you can see once again people are creating content. Now this person only has 656 subscribers, 3.1 thousand views. MyBookie versus DraftKings versus FanDuel. Interesting. The one below it, 1.1 million subscribers, so that's a large channel. But you can see there's tons of opportunity. There's tons of ways to make money with this affiliate program. You can create content about individual teams. If we look at this, Chicago Bears, top five franchise in the NFL, and it's not 1, 2, 3, or 4. Best quarterback in the league. So you can see you could create content on just Justin Fields if you wanted to. A few days ago, we looked at the number of people that are just talking about Justin Fields. We go back over to Keywords Explorer, and we go over to history here, and we look for Justin Fields. You can see there are, if we look at the matching terms, you can see there are millions of monthly searches. Okay, almost a million monthly searches, almost a million searches per month just on Justin Fields, 2,000 keywords. You could create content on Justin Fields. You could actually update the Justin Fields stats every single week and talk about how he's improving or regressing. But there's tons of opportunity to make money with the DraftKings. You can do sports. You can actually do League of Legends, which I never even thought of. Another thing you can do is you can go over to the words that they rank for, and you can extract the words that they rank for and potentially create content there. So if we look through here, all of this is DraftKings, Olympics 2021 schedule. People are asking about that. Let's see, Masters odds. You could create content about golf. Sammy Watkins. People are asking about individual players, which is interesting, and that's why that Justin Fields actually plays out very well. If you look, Victor Oladipo, these are actually individual players that people are asking about, or this website ranks for. And you can create, there's just a number of opportunities to make money. And if you're making 40% commission, depending on if it's reoccurring or if it's a one-time, this could be a good amount of money. Now that you know how to make money with the DraftKings affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.